Instagram is targeting YouTube's territory and taking over your TV screen. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of latest tech updates. Instagram has officially launched IG for TV, a dedicated app bringing the addictive short-form Reels experience to the living room. Starting with Amazon Fire TV, IG for TV aims to capture viewers during those moments when scrolling through quick, snackable content feels more appealing than committing to a full-length movie or series. Unlike IGTV, which focused on long-form content before shutting down in 2022, this app is all about vertical reels, designed to make flipping through videos as effortless as channel surfing. IG for TV automatically serves personalized reels based on your Instagram habits, organizing them into channels like comedy, music, and lifestyle. Videos play hands-free, but viewers can skip, like, comment, or reshare easily. The app allows multiple accounts to be linked within a single household or for dedicated TV-only accounts, making it a versatile option for families and binge watchers. The app was long hinted by Instagram head Adam Mosseri at the TV Push months ago, admitting that rivals like YouTube and TikTok had already carved out major viewing spaces on big screens. He said TV is an increasingly important surface and Instagram had waited too long to make its mark. Now with IG for TV, Instagram isn't just extending its reach, it's stepping into YouTube's turf with a bold, swipeable twist. By turning short-form scrolling into a full living room experience, the app could change the way millions watch videos at home, making your TV as addictive as your phone. The battle for your attention is heating up and Instagram just turned the thermostat all the way up. Will you be watching Reels on TV? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming update.